Sears Electronic Communicator 2. I think it was originally made by Nakajima. It's really well done. Sears often, or I think all the time, rebranded other computer manufacturer or typewriter manufacturers and as their own. But this is a really, really nice typewriter. Put this in. Since that's kind of broken, it's gonna probably fall off, but we'll let it do that. As far as typing, the key force needed is really not too bad. A medium, really nice. When you push down, it goes to the bottom and stops. There's no pushback, no bounce, anything like that. But getting there and having it push back up a little bit, okay, that's definitely a plus in my mind. So it's not very loud comparatively, but really well done. I think that it has a lot of good things on this typewriter to use. It has auto return, underlining, indenting, centering. Has two keyboards for extra things up there. You can clear the tabs. Right margin set. It also has, I don't even, darkness on this, dark to light, and 10, 12, or 15 pica, and that's 1.5 or 2 line spacing. So, and then you can use index, go down, you relocate, express back spacing, which is really well done. So let's turn this on and play with it a little bit. Okay, you can already, when you hear it, it's not really too loud. Okay, we'll turn on the auto return. Let's see if that actually works. And it does. So the feel of it is really well for writing, for typing as a writer. Going at it, getting to the end, it's distraction free. The only thing that might distract you if you're not used to it is the sound of it, but it's really not that loud for a typewriter. I think that the extra centering, things like that, don't really give it much of a distraction, and I think that this typewriter for a writer really lets it flow. It doesn't fight back at you at all. The keys are easy to do, but don't punish you when you get to the bottom. They're sculpted, just really, really well made. I would highly recommend this typewriter or its equivalent, whether it's a Nakajima or a Brother. I'm not quite sure, but I'm pretty sure it looks like other Nakajimas, especially with this side. It just looks really, really well done and really well made. The cartridge on it looks a lot like a Nakajima. In fact, it may be even interchangeable with them. So, and this one that I got at a thrift store, really well taken care of, and great color, great look, great feel to it. Once again, highly recommended this one.